QuickBooks Online gives you a ton of great standard reports right out of the box, but let's be honest. Sometimes standard templates give you way too much clutter, or they don't organize data the exact way your business needs it. Instead of constantly exporting data to Excel just to fix the look of it, you can use the enhanced custom report builder to design, filter, and group your metrics live in QBO. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a highly tailored report from scratch. Let's get into it. To open your workspace, slide your cursor over to the left-hand navigation bar, click on Reports, and select Custom Reports right from the submenu layout. Once your dashboard pulls up, go ahead and click the green Create New Report button in the top right corner. This brings up the Overlay panel where you tell QuickBooks your core data source. We want to track our billings, so click on Invoice to select it, then hit the green Create button at the bottom right. Now you're inside the live reporting interface. Right at the top, you can set your scope parameters on the fly. Click the Report Period drop-down and change it to last month. Right next to it, you can instantly toggle your accounting method between cash or accrual depending on how you want to recognize your revenue. To add, move, or rearrange columns like your customer or open balance rows, glide your mouse over to the top right and click this Customize button. This opens up your layout panel where you can check or uncheck fields to keep your spreadsheet clean and hyper-focused. Once your columns and numbers look exactly the way you want them, click the green Save As button in the top right corner. Give your custom file a clear title, like Last Month Invoice Tracker, and save it. It will now live inside your Custom Reports folder, updated automatically with real-time numbers every time you open it. Mastering this builder gives you the exact financial layout insights you need without any manual Excel headaches. If this step-by-step walkthrough sorted out your custom views today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.